Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Roblox crashing on mobile? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple quick fixes and deeper solutions that we can follow. So for the quick fixes, first things first, restart your device and a simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. Close the background apps, which will free up the RAM by closing other apps running in the background. Then try to check your internet connection, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and then force close Roblox. Swipe the app away from your recent app list and reopen it. So for the deeper solutions, what you can do is on the Android, you can simply go ahead and clear cache/data by going to your phone settings, application, Roblox storage, and then clear cache. On iOS, just go to settings, then go to general, and then into iPhone storage, go into Roblox, and then choose offload app, and then reinstall it from the screen. Also, make sure that you have your phone up to date. Your phone's operating system, iOS or Android, is also recommended to be up to date. And also check that you have at least 1 GB of free space. Delete old files or app if needed. And if nothing fixes it, then the best thing you can do is reinstall Roblox. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.